Good morning, team. This is your Zoom tutorial 4, and this is going to be a short one. We are simply going to talk about how to ensure that the new craze of Zoom booming, where people enter your Zoom that you didn't want them to, do not enter. So when you go to schedule a meeting, and that should be right up there once you've signed in, as you can see there. Host meeting, join meeting, schedule meeting. So you want to schedule that meeting. Once you say, let's say, cool class, you create the time and date that you're going to do this meeting, the duration of it. And then there's a choice where you have reoccurring meeting. You don't want to click that so that other people don't have the code and can enter. You can do other features here where you just generate automatically the meeting ID, or you have to make your own number and it requires a password. So those are other features for you to ensure your Zoom is protected. Now, over here is your video and your audio. So when they enter, you can even make sure that your video for those students and the audio is blocked until you give them access. So no one can say anything until you unmute. Then your other meeting options here is enable join before host. You probably don't want that. You want to mute your participants upon entry. And you want to enable a waiting room. This is the most powerful feature, is once you enable the waiting room, students cannot just enter, nor can anybody enter your class. They have to, that's right, they have to first wait, and then you give them access to even enter the room when you see their name. And that is the way that you stop random students from coming in or them giving your code to someone else. And that is the best way to stop Zoom booming. All right, everyone, enjoy and have a good one.